Am I audible? Great, great. Cool. So I'll just show you the logic why we went live. Is anybody else also joining? I don't know. Just one member right now. Bipanna said coming. He's here. Okay. It's black. It's black for now. I'll just charts will come. Visible now? Cool. So see, I have already this logic to you guys. Okay. That there is always a breakout, retest, and breakout. Okay, now let's see some examples first to understand. Okay, the past one, then I will show you the current one. Okay, we will move to 15-minute candle. Okay, now see this example only here. What happened here? This this was continuously falling, right? Continuous fall, 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 and then comes a big candle, right? Now, this big candle was not predicted by anybody, correct? After this big candle, there is a small retest which happened, right? If you look at this particular concept, there is a small retest which happened, and this retest was less than 50% of this body, right? Correct? And then the another big swing came, right? Now, if you look at another scenario, say here we look at now in selling, okay, selling was happening. This is a retest. Don't count the number of candle, look at the concept. Okay, the concept is, say this is just one candle, right? Say this is one candle. Okay, so this is a one big drop down, then there is a retest, and again this retest has not crossed this 50%, correct? Didn't cross 50%. it will again fail. Now come to the right now current scenario. Okay, so this is your current scenario. This was unexpected, which happened in life. We never thought it will bounce like this, right? And it retest, right? The moment it retest, and on this candle I said buy. This is a candle where I said buy, right? So this candle crossed this candle and I was confirmed to buy, right? I've told this scenario a lot of time. So these are the very strong signals to buy or sell. You saying it's normal going up? Obviously, it was not normal here. Till here, it was not normal. But after this retest, it is now. See, why this uptrend is so believable? Because after three candle, a pause came, a red candle came, and then again it is going up. It's a strong trend. This is not a strong trend. Okay. After here, see, one red will come, then again up will happen. Very stable, right? These are stable moves. This is not a stable move. That is why we got this, right? Now, if you look at the hourly chart, okay, this is not a stable move. 90-degree downside is not a stable move, right? You cannot fall like this. This is brutal. You have to fall little like this, okay? You have to fall little like this. See, it's unstoppable. It's not stopping only. 173. I told you 173 will come before daily close, right? This is unstoppable. You cannot fall like this. This is brutal. Not fair to fall like this. And that is why this jump is there. Hey, go by. No news, just upside. Guys, don't even think of closing the position right now. Okay. You can, if you want, you can trail your stop losses. Don't even think of closing the position. We exactly bought at bottom. Exactly at bottom. We sold at top. Remember, we sold exactly at top. Don't even think of selling this position as of now. You, if you want, you can increase your stop loss so that some gains are there. This is unstoppable. Or if you want, book 50% profit. Okay. Or if you want, just book 50% profit. Wow, it is crossed 61% retracement also of today's fall. So next is 174.29. 174.29 coming. The only regret I have is my quantity is very small. I only have 30 soul. If you want to book partially at 173.90. Okay. Book partially at 173.90, but don't book overall position. Yeah, let rest go up, or if if little down move come, we can add more. Okay, if little down move come, we will add more. At say after this one or two green candle, there is one red candle. In that we will add. See, my indicator is also performing so well. Okay, it triggered a long. See, on 5 minute where it triggered a long. It triggered a long over here. Exactly here it triggered a long. Then it said first profit book here. Okay, it said book profit. Then again it said go long. Now here again it is saying book. So I have created this in a manner that it continuously guide you to book profit. Okay. Wow, 173.90 done. Super. 174. Non-stoppable, bro. Crazy. Just crazy. Matlab, 5 minute chart we have to expand and see like this because there is no upside seen. I just love this move. And and to be very honest, the real bull run will start now. When this 9 EMA will cross 44 EMA, na, the real bull will start. This is just a trailer. The real bull run will start now. It's easily going to 180. Okay, and above 180, small players will come and enter. They will start buying. I entered at 167.50. 167.50 I entered. Wait, I think I entered little before that. Wait. I'll just confirm. I entered at 167.10. 167.10. This is unstoppable move. Don't tell profit loss, okay? Just trade. See, entire fall got retest right now. Why I was so confident about 173 coming again, I will show you that also. You have to read the chart. I was 100% sure today can weekly close will be like this. Okay, a big doji. I was 100% sure of a doji over here. And now exactly the price reached and it is now creating this plus sign. Okay, and only 1 minute is remaining. And I was so sure that it will close like this. Only 1 minute is remaining to close this candle. And after this, the momentum will stop. Finally found the channel. Okay. Okay. So now a new daily candle is starting, and now this momentum will slightly stop. Okay. This momentum was just to cope up the weekly close. So now we got the weekly close, right? See, a new candle has come now. This weekly was expected to be doji. It is a doji. Now this momentum will slightly stop. Okay. Wait for some dip to come before we go long. I will confirm in the chat. Okay. Wait for some dip to come before we go long. See, this is a new candle now on every chart, on hourly also, on daily, weekly. Every candle is a new candle, fresh candle. Let it form some shape. I am expecting it to come slightly down. I'll tell you up to which level it is expected to come. It is it should come to 172 or 171.90. Okay, 171.90 or something like that. It is coming fast only. Then we can add more longs. See, again, profit booking at the right place, right? We booked exactly at the right place. See, it's all about timing it. You need to time it. You didn't book, we booked 50%. We booked 50% position and remaining we are holding. Some fall will come because you can't go up. I like this. Never ever a move like this will happen and continue. Okay. I booked 50% at 173.90. Straight move will never come. Okay, remember this. And I have informed you guys at least 10 times. Okay, that bulls will go with stairs, bears comes on lift. Okay, you have seen the clear example today. If you see this, this was a bull run. Bulls took 12 candles, bears took 4 candles. Yeah, don't exit now. It's too late. It's nearing the entry point now. Okay, so this is a clear classical example. Okay, bulls will always go with stairs, bears will take a lift and come down. That is why I always say whenever you are taking a short position, your reward should come immediately. If it's not coming, then it's not a good position. We'll wait for some candle formation. Just wait for some candle formation. Okay, we'll decide. Right now, it's difficult to say where is the entry. Most likely, it is at 171.80, something like that. 171.80, 171.90 could be a good entry. But let's wait. What we missed, we missed to ride the selling, right? We exited too early. We sorted at the right level, but we exited too early. We, we could have easily wrote that selling also. You closed at 173. Cool, no problem. No problem. Good. Now, if you see, there are two possibilities. One, it breaks down and come till where we are expecting. Second, it goes up directly from here. Yeah, yeah, it is always good to take profit. I always advise to take profit. We are here to make profit, right? We're not here to see only on the screen. I actually went to sleep, but before that, one last, I thought, okay, let's check what is happening. And then I immediately messaged. My this indicator works so nicely. It tells you very nicely it works. I'm just looking. See, there are two case scenario. Okay, one is that we buy around these levels, which is at 20 EMA, right? At 20, one is we buy at 20 EMA. Second is if this breakout above this trend line, then we'll have to buy at higher price. Okay, so there are two scenarios. If it breaks out above this line, then we will have to buy at higher price for 178, 179. Okay, or first scenario is that it slightly comes back and then we buy again. I don't think it is in a mood to come down, but let's see. It doesn't look like it wants to come down. No, not at all. But let's wait for 5 more minutes. It's a bird from the street, but they always come and sit in my balcony. New entry. Okay. Matlab, I'm approximating after 30 minutes we'll get a new entry. Is it clear now? I said new entry could take some time. Maybe after 30 minutes we'll get a new entry. So we should plan our new entry around 171.30. Okay. In price, 171.30 is a place where we should plan a new entry. But at this place, we should see some positive candles. Okay. And then we'll plan. How much are cigarettes in India? In dollar value, if I have to tell you, just 1 second. It's 0.2 cent, one cigarette. Basically, you get five cigarettes in $1. No, but pocket. I didn't get 20 cigarettes for €5. That's expensive, I guess. No, it's same only almost. 20 cigarettes for €5. So in €1, you're getting four. €1 in India is 100 rupees. It's same. It's almost same. I'm behind, bro. Should I long? Wait. So we have closed our long position as of now. Okay, we booked. Now we're planning for a re-entry on a long side again. So we are waiting for some confirmation. Then we'll plan a re-entry. So at 171.30, if this comes right at this level, we'll plan a re-entry provided we start forming a green candle. It should start forming a green candle. Okay. But this was crazy move, crazy. It's coming slowly. Don't jump and buy. Wait for one green candle and then we will buy. I actually almost in the sleep mode, bro. And I don't know. I even don't know why did I check my screen because I had no position. I have closed everything. It's 6 a.m. at my place. I now whole day I will sleep. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Don't jump and buy. Wait for some bullish signal to come. Okay. There is 3 minutes for this candle to close. We will wait. We'll wait for this candle closer and then see how the next candle is forming and then take a position. I don't only want the candle to be green. I want candle to be green with above some here, closer here. Okay, it should close above the high of this candle. Or this can be a red candle, next candle can be green and then close above the high. Okay, the price should go above the previous candle. See, why did long worked here, right? This particular candle broke the high of last four candle in one go, right? It broke the high of last four candle in one go straight. So this was a classical example of going long. Yes, because from last four candle people were trying to sell, and one candle came and said, "Okay, I'm not willing to fall anymore," and that's why it was a long, right? You see here also, I'll show you. See this particular selling, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 candles almost have a same low, right? And then this particular candle came and said, "Hey, wait, I want to go down," right? So from here, even if you sell, you get this much. You- This you cannot predict. Okay, this is unpredictable. But after this was predictable, right? After this, it was predictable. This was unpredictable. You cannot predict this to happen. Similarly, if you see here, right? All flat candles in same price zone, right? Then one candle came and said, "I want to go down," and then sell off. Try to read the logic. Okay, that's all. This one candle came and said, "I am breaking the low of all last 5 6 candle in one go," and then sell off. So you have to wait for a confirmation, that's all. See, here is another example. Flat, one candle came and said, "I break the low of all of you, go." Suppose here a green candle would have come, then also it's a buy. So decide your level where you want to take a trade, and then wait for price to react in that manner. No, you cannot catch tops and bottom because you are not the maker of the market, right? You don't have billions of dollars that you decide where is a top and where is a bottom, right? You cannot. If you're trying to do that, you will get miserably trapped. Do not try to predict top and bottom. You see, right? I am continuously moving my level down because the price is not showing positive structure, right? Initial plan was here, then we moved down. So I don't know where the bottom is gonna be for this small sell-off which is happening. Where is the bottom? I don't know, right? The moment it will show me a positive structure, I will go long. And if the price closes now below this line, and again shows a negative structure, it's time to go short. I hope that short signal doesn't come, but still. So now you see where the price is reacting. Now let's see. Okay, where the price is reacting? The price is reacting where it took a pause. This rally took a pause over here, correct? And then it went flat and it again gave a breakout. Now the price is reacting here. So somebody who bought here is protecting the price to fall here. Okay, that is why it is reacting, right? It is taking rejection. Why? Because this is a reason. You need to look back at the chart. You everything is here. And then try to make a story out of it, a psychological story. Then you will understand what exactly is happening. See, these are not the bars, these are psychology of people. These are uh, millions of brains which are trading is their psychology. Yeah, you have to look behind too. Okay. So don't treat them as a candle or a bar. Okay. These are the psychology of people who are trading. Somebody, see, whenever you are selling, somebody is buying. Whenever you are buying, somebody is selling. Correct. There are always two people involved. So these are psychology of people. What their thought process is, what their mind is thinking. Like the moment we sold at 174, somebody bought from us. So that person was thinking it's a good time to buy, right? And we thought it's a good time to sell. So just try to read the charts with a psychology, you will get the trend. Yeah, yeah, no problem. You can trade tomorrow. New ATH. Yeah, yeah, bro, take trade tomorrow. So now we have a green candle forming. Okay. And if this green candle closes above this red candle, we can go long. No, it's still saying no. It doesn't want. Let's take the level from a bigger chart time frame. Bro, you need to listen. You price has to behave positive before you go long. Alexa, stop. So the price has to behave positive before you go long. You never know we are going for a new low. Yeah, alarm to wake up. See, the price is behaving weird. Okay, I think we should trade tomorrow. Leave it. Okay, we should trade tomorrow. Just leave it as it is. If there is a good signal to short or buy, if I get some alarm from this, I will tell you. Right now, it's not indicating anything. See, do not try to copy anybody. I'll give you a very good example. I don't know who all are in live, but still I'm giving this example. Okay. There was a guy who, in the other live stream, right? Uh, who was short in his position, and we were long. And he regretted of being short, right? And he closed his position. Now imagine his position would have been in profit, right? After this fall, he would have been in profit, or he would have at least saved the losses. So do not try to come in FOMO. Do your own analysis, and that is why every time I call you guys on this live stream and tell you why we are doing this. Okay, do not come in FOMO. He closed his position without thinking anything, right? Just because we were texting, go long, go long, go long. There was no second thought from him. So basically, his trade has no logic. Yeah, the price is moving. It's getting rejected. He saw the losses, and then again he saw that so many people suddenly came in the group and they are long, right? Before we were not there in that group, it was inactive, right? We will have to give some time to this. Why I'm saying this? Okay, because all these EMAs has to come down. Let these EMAs also come down slightly. See, this is another good thing to know. Okay, so this is 9 EMA, this is 20 EMA, this is 44 EMA, right? Now there is a huge gap in these. Okay, so whenever there is a gap like this, right, it will not give you fast move in your direction. Exactly. You If you try to avoid your wrong entries, right, you are ending on to me. See, for me it is important that I get my move in next 5 to 10 minutes in my direction. Okay, if the trade is in my direction, I can hold for 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day, 10 day. But if the trade is not in my direction, I will not hold for even 15 minutes. Okay, so see, what I was trying to say is all these EMAs has to converge at one point. See here, here there was a again explode. Okay, so this is always you have to focus. All these EMAs will converge and explode. If you look at, yeah, let's call it tomorrow, no problem, right? See, it's not about taking a trade, it's about learning the things, and that is why I show you in live, right? Because going and checking historical data is very different, and going and checking in real time is another story. Okay, right? Historical data checking will not make you a good trader, but if you observe things in a real time, it will make you a good trader. Now, what does our logic says? It says that one, two, three, four, five, six candle in red is done. Seventh cannot be red. It will be green, right? Our logic says seventh cannot be red. It will be green. But green doesn't mean that you have to buy. It only means pause. See, wait patiently and try to understand each candle. everything is written in this, you will be able to trade. Cut your losses if it is in opposite direction immediately, right? See, I gave two stop losses. One for $11 stop loss I gave, another stop loss I gave for $7. So total $18 I lost in two trades, and in third trade I made $700. In my third trade I made $700 straight. So you can imagine, if you look at my success ratio in last three trade, it is only 33%, right? Because in three trades, two were in loss, one was in profit. So 33% is my success ratio. But the amount of money I lost in two trade was only $20 combined. You remember, Raquel, right? You were there in live when I closed my trade in loss. Cool, cool, cool. Let's wrap it up. Okay. We will do tomorrow whenever, or I will text whenever there is a good opportunity. See, market is volatile, so I want to trade. Okay. This kind of a market you don't get every day, where 10 points up, 10 point down is happening in just few hours. Okay. So this kind of a market you don't get every day. Cool. I'll text in that stream. Bye bye everyone. Bye. I'll stay back in 30 minutes. Let's see where. Okay. Even I wanted to trade, so even I can stay. Yeah, bro. You can see. Yeah, we have two rejection, but then again it's falling. If this fall continues, right, God really knows what's happening. BTC has not fallen much. No, it fall 106 to 1200 points. But still holding 44 EMA. What happened to Sol? It broke 44 EMA. Crazy. All see one more classical example of bears coming by left. Bulls took so many candles. Bear straight down. Bears will always come like this. this is not looking good. If this continue, right, then now 164 is under threat, immediately under threat. Third candle also rejected, thankfully. See, keep correcting yourself. Okay, we cannot be right. That is why I'm shifting. Cool.